Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Hub. Today I am going to tell you about the things you should not do before your exams. We know it's that time of the year. It is the exam time. I understand all that you are going through and I will help you out. You may have a gap of minimum 2 to 3 days between your exams. Sometimes it's just one day, or you may also have back-to-back exams. So you need to know what to do, not to do during that time. So friends, do not panic. Please watch this video till the end and please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon for future notifications. So without wasting time, let's start. First one is, do not use social media. Yes, you heard me right. As much as possible to fight the urge of using your mobile phone. It's an addiction which consumes most of your time and do not allow you to concentrate on. Second important thing not to do is, do not ask friends which book they are referring to, and if it is different from the one you have used, then you again get tensed and you will go out of your way and buy that new book just before your exam. So this will bring to my third point. Do not change your books at the last minutes. Do not try any new book. Your NCERT textbook or your respective reference books are sufficient. So stick to these books throughout the year. Next thing not to do is postpone your studies. This will end up piling a lot to do for the last days of exams, which will make you tense and everything will become messy. Fifth, next very important one is not to get influenced by the timetable that your friends are using. Everyone have different learning capacities and you are unique. Use the strategy that suits your way of learning. Just stick to your own strategy. Do not copy anyone's strategy. Next is, if you have left any chapter for option, do not try to study it just a date before the exams. Stick to what you have already studied and spend more time and revising your content rather than studying things for the first time. Seventh thing not to do is, try not to just read illustrations or go through diagrams and flowcharts. What I mean is, illustrations, diagrams and flowcharts are very important, but after reading it or going through them, time yourself and write the answers based on it will give you your more confidence to attempt questions. This method is very effective way for revision. Next is, you should not eat outside food before exams. It makes you sick at the wrong time. Eat homemade cooked food which is easy to digest. Also, eating heavy food will make you sleepy. So keep your meal light. Have a lot of veggies and fruits. Last is very important. Have a sufficient amount of sleep just before your exam. But that does not mean that you sleep more. Avoid oversleeping as it may make you lethargic and lazy, as sound sleep for 6 hours is enough during exams. If you have trouble sleeping or you get nightmares and you wake up at odd hours in the night, so hope these tips will help you to improve your scores. Last, have confidence in yourself and do not judge your intelligence or compare with your friends. Have a smile on your face and confidence. All the best for your exams. Thank you.